How to delete multiple Instagram reels at once on iPhone. For that, first of all, make sure that you have updated version of Instagram application. Once you check that, launch your Instagram application and again check if you have logged into your account or not. If not, then log into your account. Then, on the bottom right corner, you will see your profile icon. Simply hit on that and from the top right, select the three lines. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, there you will see your activity option, tap on it. Now again, scroll down, there you will see Reels option, tap on it. On the top right, you will see Select option, simply hit on that and select the Reels that you want to delete. And on the bottom, you will see Delete option, simply tap on it and you are good to go. In this very easy step, you can easily delete multiple Instagram Reels at once on your iPhone or Android. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.